Good evening, everybody. I'm Sugumar from Bombay, and it was very nice of you, Mr. Manoj, to have come out and assembled as most of the people. And many are not like me because I am an electrical engineer,
Okay.
served in Indian Air Force, settled in Bombay, originally from Tamil Nadu. Hi.
Okay.
So it was really nice one. I learned a lot, and I used to wonder how people are making so many things on the Facebook and other WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram. How are they making it? I used to wonder. I also so one day should learn and do it because I have my own group of people,
Mm.
my batchmates from Air Force, and my astronomy group is there. And I thought, oh, I'll make it and publish it. This particular course will give me some boost in putting my content properly.
Okay.
And as a person, you are too good a man, too good a
Thank you
man,
so much. Thank you.
right? Wonderful guy. And of course, teachers have to be like that. Teachers have to be teachers. Thank you, thank you very much. Thank you very much. All the best.